In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yummy red velvet cake. So let's get right into it. So first off, I'm going to grease the pan, my baking tray or baking pan. So this is the milk I'm using. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, to the milk. I'll set it aside. So we're using 2 medium-sized eggs, and to that we're going to add our sugar, so we'll add the sugar and mix together until it doubles in size. So next I'm going to add my flavor, vanilla flavor, to the mix. 1 tablespoon. After adding the vanilla flavor, I'll mix together. So next I'm going to add my red velvet color in bits. I'll mix. So I'm going to add the coffee, 1 teaspoon of coffee, to my warm water. So if you have the real coffee, not this 3-in-1, you can use that as well. But this is what I have at home, so that's what I'm using. So I'm going to dissolve it in the warm water now. Make sure everything is well melted with the warm water. Put it aside. So I added baking powder and baking soda to my flour. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'll mix everything together and sieve. So I'm adding the coffee to the egg mixture or the color mixture and stir to combine. We'll whisk together. I'm going to add the flour gradually. So we're going to mix the dried ingredients to the wet ingredients gradually. Make sure not to over mix in this while mixing, so I'll add the dried ingredients, mix together, add some of the wet ingredients, continue to stir till everything is well combined. So this is it after folding in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So by this time, make sure your oven is on, because we are going to bake it in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. So next I'm going to transfer it into my baking tray. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button. Also like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So our red velvet cake is ready to be served. So as you can see, we are done baking. I'm going to take it off the baking tray now. I'll take out the parchment paper. So I'm taking out the parchment paper now. Wow. So we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like. side. So we're going to cut into it now, taste and see what it looks like.